Hello everyone, I am Piali. Welcome to our channel Pan to Platter. Today I will be making fish kebab. Let's begin. To make this recipe, you will need medium-sized fish pieces. Here I have used aad mach, but you can also use tikki, basa or rogu. Boiled potato, red chili powder, turmeric, cumin seeds, garam masala powder, lemon, chopped ginger, green chilies, garlic, chopped onion, coriander and mint leaves, salt, oil for frying. Rub the fish pieces with salt and turmeric. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and shallow fry the fish. Turn the fish pieces and keep frying. Cover it for 4 to 5 minutes till it becomes tender. Make sure the gas is on medium flame while frying. After the fish is properly fried, keep it aside. Heat 1 teaspoon oil and add cumin seeds. Now add onion, add garlic and ginger. Saute it till it becomes light brown. Debone the fish and mash it well. Add mashed potato, fried cumin onion mix, salt, red chili powder, green chilies, garam masala powder, chopped coriander and mint leaves and lemon juice. Mix them properly. Take handful of this mixture and shape it like a tikki. Two tablespoons of oil into the pan and heat it. Then place the fish kebabs into it for frying. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn the kebabs. When the kebabs are golden brown on both sides, they are ready to serve.